Today we're going to be unboxing the ISUMO, I think it's how it pronounced, EGR valve. That's the part number. You can get this off eBay for around $23.
40, 39.
39. You know, I didn't buy it. It's actually my buddy's, and he's going to let me do this unboxing video. We're going to be installing it in a car, so you will get a how-to video on that coming up. So to open it, you just pull that open. It comes with a gasket. Oh, it's boxed very good with a styrofoam. Let's go ahead and get that out, boss. A brand new EGR valve. Now we will compare it in an upcoming install video with the factory one, but it looks pretty good to me. Huh. Simple. How much trouble one of these can cause on your car. So this is the EGR valve unboxing. So I hope you guys found this video a little bit useful. It's a little faster video than I'm usually doing, but you know, ain't much to unbox here. As always, show your support by leaving a comment, dropping a like, and subscribe. You know, thank you for watching.